To create a perfect spiral, go to the Line Segment tool and hold down left click and select Polar Grid tool. Left click once on the canvas to bring up the tool option box. The first thing that I'm going to do is to make both the value the same so that we'll get a perfect circle. For concentric dividers, let's say I want to have a spiral with 4 rings. So I'll take 4 and multiply by 2. I'll get 8. And for radial dividers, we're just going to set it to 0. And we'll hit OK. Now that I have this shape, the next thing that I'm going to do is to ungroup this shape 2 times. So I'm going to hit Ctrl-Shift-G or Command-Shift-G twice to ungroup the object. Next, I'm going to press A to select the Direct Selection tool and highlight the entire anchor point in the center. And then I'm going to hit this button here to cut all the anchor points. And right now, you have each part separated just like this. Next, I'm going to select the entire top half of the circle and shift it to the side, and make sure you turn on the Smart Guide so that your lines will easily be aligned and snap to the line below. Next, I'm going to delete all the lines in between, just like this. And now you have a perfect spiral shape. To finish it, we're going to join all the points together so that it is one single object. To do that, press A for the white arrow, highlight both the points and press Ctrl or Command J to use the Join tool to merge both the anchor points and combine them into a single path. And just like that, you have successfully created a perfect spiral shape.